Can the father's genes be transmitted to the fetus if sperm is present during pregnancy?
Hey there, welcome to our video discussion on whether the father's genes can be transmitted to the fetus if sperm is present during pregnancy. This is an interesting question that often arises when considering the role of genetics in the development of a child. Let's delve into the topic and explore the scientific understanding behind it.
The role of sperm in pregnancy.
To understand whether the father's genes can be transmitted to the fetus during pregnancy, it's crucial to first grasp the role of sperm in the reproductive process. Sperm, which is produced in the testes, carries genetic information from the father in the form of DNA. During sexual intercourse, sperm is ejaculated into the vagina and travels through the cervix and uterus, eventually reaching the fallopian tubes where fertilization takes place.
Fertilization and genetic contribution.
Fertilization occurs when a sperm successfully penetrates and fertilizes an egg in the fallopian tube. During this process, the genetic material from the sperm, including the father's genes, combines with the genetic material of the egg, which carries the mother's genes. This fusion of genetic material forms a single cell called a zygote, which then begins to divide and develop into an embryo.
Transmission of father's genes to the fetus.
Once fertilization occurs, the genetic information from both parents is combined in the zygote. The zygote contains a mix of genetic material from the father and the mother, which determines various traits and characteristics of the developing fetus. The father's genes are not only present but actively contribute to the genetic makeup of the fetus.
Development and gene expression.
As the fetus continues to grow and develop, the genetic instructions contained within the father's genes play a vital role. Genes carry information that determines various aspects of an individual, including physical traits, susceptibility to certain diseases, and more. These genes are present in every cell of the developing fetus, and their expression influences the fetus's development.
Epigenetics and environmental factors.
It's important to note that genetic expression can be influenced by various environmental factors. Epigenetics, the study of changes in gene expression without alterations in the underlying DNA sequence, demonstrates that environmental factors can modify the way genes are expressed. Factors such as diet, lifestyle, and exposure to certain substances can potentially impact how the father's genes are expressed in the developing fetus. To conclude, the father's genes can indeed be transmitted to the fetus if sperm is present during pregnancy. During fertilization, the genetic material from the father combines with that of the mother, forming the basis of the fetus's genetic makeup. As the fetus develops, the father's genes continue to play a significant role in determining various traits and characteristics. It's important to consider that genetic expression can be influenced by environmental factors, which can further shape the development of the fetus. Understanding the role of genetics in pregnancy helps shed light on the complex and fascinating process of human reproduction.